Hi, we're back again with a new phrasal verb lesson. As I said before, learning phrasal verbs is a perfect way to take your English to the next level because they are so common and you will hear them all the time. So don't ignore them. It might be a bit hard at first, but believe me, once you know how to use them, it's gonna be super fun. Let's crack on with the lesson. In today's lesson, I want to share with you a common phrasal verb that I personally use, which is sleep in. Once again, sleep in. Before I explain it, I'm gonna give you an example and I wonder if you can guess the meaning. Just give it a try. My alarm didn't go off and I slept in. One more time. My alarm didn't go off and I slept in. I think it's very easy, isn't it? If so, congratulations. If not, don't worry, it's gonna be very easy. Anyway, let me explain to you. Sleep in means to sleep for a longer time than usual. Imagine you wake up at 7 a.m. in the morning, but sometimes you wake up at 9 a.m. In this situation, you can use the phrasal verb sleep in. Let's take some examples. On Saturdays, I sometimes sleep in. On Saturdays, I sometimes sleep in. My alarm didn't go off and I slept in. My alarm didn't go off and I slept in. Jack missed the train because he slept in. Jack missed the train because he slept in. I don't have school tomorrow. I'm thinking of sleeping in. One more time. I don't have school tomorrow. I'm thinking of sleeping in. Try to use this phrasal verb every day, especially if you sometimes wake up late. That's the end of this lesson. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new here and turn on the notifications so you're notified every time I post a new video. I hope that this video was useful. If so, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. I'll see you in the next one.